Hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm fantastic as always. So today is the 11th of 28 day gratitude challenge from this amazing book, The Magic, written by Rhonda Byrne. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Day 11 is about a magic morning. It starts with a quote. When you arrive in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. Written by Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor. The easiest and simplest way to ensure that your day ahead will be filled with magic is to fill your morning with gratitude. When you incorporate gratitude into your morning routine, you will feel and see its magical benefits throughout the whole day. Each morning is full of opportunities to give thanks, and it doesn't slow you down or take any extra time because you can do it naturally as you go about everything you do. There is an added bonus to filling your morning with gratitude because your daily routines are the ones when you can harm yourself the most by thinking negative thoughts about realizing you are doing it. There is no room for harmful negative thoughts when the mind is looking forward for things to be grateful for. After this practice, you will go into your day feeling much happier and more confident that the day ahead will be great. And that's when you will see the magic happen before your very eyes. When you wake up to the new day today, before you move, before you do a single thing, say the magic words thank you. Say thank you for the fact that you are alive. Say that you have been given another day of life. Your life is a gift. Every day is a gift, and when you really think about it, it's inconceivable that any of us would wake up in the morning without giving thanks for another day. If you think a new day isn't such a big deal, then just try missing one. It doesn't matter how sleepy you are or if your alarm has woken up for work have or you have overslept. And during the weekend, the moment you wake up, say the magic words thank you for another day of your life. Say thank you for the good night's sleep you receive. Are you fortunate enough to have slept in a bed with sheets and the pillow? Thank you. As your feet hit the ground, say thank you. Do you have a bathroom? Thank you. Are you able to turn on the taps and immediately receive fresh clean water every morning? Thank you. Imagine all the people who dug the trenches and laid the pipes across your country, throughout your city, and along all the streets to your home so you can turn on along the streets so that your home so you can turn the tap and receive beautiful clean water. Thank you. As you reach for your toothbrush and toothpaste, thank you. Without them, your day would not begin so pleasantly. Thank you for the towels, the soap, the mirror, and everything in the bathroom you are that makes you feel fresh, awake, and ready for the day. As you get dressed, think about how fortunate you are to have clothes to choose from and wear. Thank you. Think about how many people must have been involved in making all the various items of clothing you put on and wear in one day. It's likely that the clothes you put on in one day come from many countries across the planet. Thank you to everybody. Do you have shoes? Lucky you. Imagine life without them. Thank you for the shoes. There is another quote. I have always been delighted at the prospect of a new day, a fresh try, and one more start with perhaps a bit of magic waiting somewhere behind the morning. Written by J.B. Priestley, writer and playwright. Make today as good as it can be, practicing concentrated gratitude and putting the magic into your morning routine. From the moment you open your eyes until you have put your shoes on or finished getting ready, say the magic words thank you in your mind for everything you touch and use. It doesn't matter if you don't shower or get dressed first thing in the morning. You can still use this magic morning practice as a guide and apply it to whatever your morning routine is. If you wake up and eat breakfast first, then as you touch and use each thing for your breakfast, say the magic words thank you. Give thanks for your morning coffee, tea, fruit juice or breakfast. They make your morning so enjoyable and give you energy for the day. Be grateful for the kitchen appliances you use for your breakfast, the refrigerator, hot plates, oven, toaster, coffee maker or kettle. Every day without exception, I say thank you as I put one foot on the floor and you as my other foot touches the floor. So that as both feet touch the floor for the first time each day, I have said thank you. As I walk forward for my bathroom, I say the magic words thank you in my mind with each step. Then I continue saying thank you in my mind as I touch and use each thing in my bathroom. By the time I am dressed and ready for the day, I feel so happy I could jump for joy. And when I feel that happiness, I know my gratitude has worked and I am guaranteed to have a magical day. As I go through my day, I really feel as though I have a magic power with me because one good thing after another happens. And as each good thing happens, I have even more grateful, which speeds up the magic with even more good things happening. You know, these days when everything just seems to go right for you. Well, that's what's like after doing magic morning, but multiplied. So, guys, now let's understand today's activity. Magic practice number 11. Number 1. When you wake up to the new day, before you do a single thing, say the magic words thank you. From the moment you open your eyes until you have finished getting ready, say the magic words thank you in your mind for everything you touch and see and use. Number 3. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Guys, I know like this activity should be done in the morning, and my video came a little late because of the time which comes regularly. It's okay. Do it immediately. Be grateful what you have touched and what you have done. So yeah, guys, these are the list of activities you need to perform today itself. So what I will recommend is find yourself a quiet empty space where nobody is going to disturb you. Sit with the notebook and the pen with the soothing music on. And if you're unable to find any soothing music in my channel, there are plenty of them. You can choose anyone, just listen to them and write your gratitude and feel them. Like it's like you express your feeling for something which is going to change your life completely. So do it, guys, and all the best for you, and I'll see you tomorrow again with tomorrow's day challenge. Till then, stay safe, wear mask, and make sure you wash your hands every single day and every single hour so that you are safe and your family is also safe.